This artifact is about the Goose Chase EDU app and website. For this assignment, my entrepreneurship class, they had to download the Goose Chase app onto their phones. They had to use their phone, and then they split up into teams, and then they were supposed to move about the entire school building, going to different places in order to find certain items. None of this was done in the classroom. So here's a list of missions. Some of them were just entries for text, such as the first one, name a famous entrepreneur. Then they also had to go down to the cafeteria and take a picture of the product mix. They had to walk through the hallways of the school building and find an advertisement that was hanging. We also have a school TV channel that runs continuously in the commons throughout the day. So they had to wait and watch for an advertisement and then take a video or a picture of that. They had to visit the school store. They had to interview a student volunteer, and they also had to find out what the best-selling item is. They went up to the library and they had to find a book written by an entrepreneur and take a picture of it. And then the last thing, they had to record a video of at least one of their team members singing a popular ad or jingle or commercial. And this really allowed the students to be creative, and it also allowed them to express their creativity. So here is the activity feed. So this comes through on my computer as a live feed as the students are finishing all the different tasks. So let's see, there's the TV screen. Here's a receipt from when they visited the school store. Some more receipts. We have pictures of books in the library. Let's find a good jingle and I will play that. Here we go. Let's play this one. And then it just plays over and over again. So here's the remainder of the feed and some of the text answers and then some more jingles and some more receipts. So that is our Goose Chase EDU app and website assignment.